What are the benefits of eating carrots? Carrot benefits. They boost your immune system. The vitamin C in carrots helps your body build antibodies that defend your immune system. They can help with constipation. They can help control diabetes. They can strengthen your bones. They might help you lose weight. Are carrots the healthiest food? Did you know? Carrots are second only to sweet potatoes as an excellent source of beta-carotene, vitamin A. Vitamin A is needed for healthy skin, bones, and teeth, as well as to fight sickness. Carrots are a fair source of B vitamins, like niacin and B6, which help our bodies use energy from foods. In conclusion, are carrots good for weight loss? Carrots are indeed good for weight loss due to their low calorie content, high fiber content, and various essential micronutrients. They can help create a feeling of fullness, support digestion, and contribute to a calorie deficit necessary for weight loss. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, support, and follow the AK1323 channel. You can watch different videos about cooking, technology, electronics, sale offer items, travel tourism, and more useful videos. Thank you.